Hi everyone, I hope you are making the most of the season, the summer, because I try to spend more time outdoor, try to enjoy warmer and longer days. And today I got up at 5:40 in the morning, by the way, to make this video for you, and I think, guys, you should know this information. So, in this video I will help you to figure out the difference between two French verbs, savoir and connaître, which are both translated into English as to know something, to know about something. So, c'est parti. So, savoir means to know a fact, just to know a fact, while connaître means to know a person or to be familiar with a fact, with a place, or with a thing. And usually savoir is followed by que, si, et qu'on. Let's look at the examples. Je sais que tu es toujours là pour moi. Donc, I know that you are always there for me. Je ne sais pas si je pourrai finir ce travail à brève échéance. I don't know whether I will finish this work in the short term. Quand est-ce qu'on va savoir le nom du nouveau directeur? When we will know the name of a new director. So these are the examples with the verb savoir. Now let's switch to connaître. Connaître is usually followed by a noun. For example, je connais cette ville. I know this town. Je connais cette école. I know this school. Je connais les résultats de cet examen. I know the exam results. But attention, connaître can be used to mean meet someone. For example, je l'ai connu en France. So it means that I met him in France. And the verb savoir can be used to indicate an ability to do something. For example, je sais parler français. So I am able to speak French, and I speak French. Ou je sais conduire. I know how to drive. And it can also be used to mean find out about something. For example, find out about an event. For example, je l'ai su il y a 8 jours. So it means that I found out about it. I found out about that fact a week ago. So when I was preparing this video, I found some useful tips which will definitely help you to choose between these two verbs. And one tip is that if you can replace the verb in a sentence with to be certain about something, then you should probably use savoir. Let's look at the example. Je sais qu'elle nous aidera, ou je connais qu'elle nous aidera. What do we need to use? So if I replace the verb by to be certain with something or about something, I am certain she will help us. Well, we see that the sentence doesn't sound weird, so it means that we should probably use savoir. So we have je sais qu'elle nous aidera. I know that she will help us. But if we replace the verb with to be certain about something, and the sentence becomes weird, so it sounds weird, then we should probably use connaître. Let's see another example. Je connais très bien ta mère. I know very well your mom. But if we replace the verb with to be certain about something, I am certain very well your mom. Like, you see, the sentence becomes really weird. And in this case, we need to use connaître. So we have je connais très bien ta mère. So to help you to understand easier this difference between two verbs, I made a nice dialogue with savoir et connaître pour vous montrer comment... Pourquoi je commençais à parler français, hein? Tout à coup, je ne sais pas qu'est-ce qui s'est passé dans ma tête, mais bon, pour vous montrer comment on peut utiliser les verbes savoir et connaître dans la situation quotidienne. Donc c'est parti. Je ne sais pas quoi offrir à Mélanie parce que son anniversaire s'approche à grands pas. Et vous la connaissez très bien. Donc qu'est-ce qui lui ferait plaisir à votre avis? Oh, je sais qu'elle s'intéresse beaucoup à l'Amérique latine. Il est allé plusieurs fois et il raffole la danse latino-américaine. Oh, je n'y me connais pas trop en danse, surtout les danses latino-américaines. Mais vous savez s'il va aux classes de danse? Il aimerait bien de le faire, mais pour l'instant, il n'a pas assez d'argent. Bon, dans ce cas-là, je vais lui offrir un certificat de danse. C'est une bonne idée. Voila, so I hope this video was very useful for you, and I want to make my videos more practice oriented. Maybe for next time I will make the entire video about everyday conversation situation that you might encounter in a French spoken country. So, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next video, and have a nice day, and bye.